Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quickly this newer report called under Parts Inventory, called Inventory List of Active Parts Being Tracked. So these are the parts that where you've checked the checkbox that says Track Inventory. So that means that these items are items that are going to be showing up in the reminders list when you get to a minimum quantity on hand, and would typically not be the one-off type of inventory when you're adding parts to a work order. This would be the items that you want to actually stock in inventory. So and this is going to be active parts that you are actually wanting to or have been stocking in inventory. So we can just choose that item and then click preview, and it's going to show us all the items that are currently tracked, along with the various columns: the part of the stock number, the manufacturer part number, manufacturer name, description, type, bin location and bin number, the vendor, current quantity on hand, the date the quantity on hand was verified, the quantity on reorder and the date the reorder was done, and the cost per unit of the part and the cost for the total quantity on hand. And you can also export this report out to Excel by clicking on this green X up here. That'll export the report and then open up Excel. Alright, so once you got it in Excel, you can click on the Data tab and click on Filter, and then you can sort by various columns, or you can filter by various columns by unselecting or selecting the items in each column, or choosing the sorting features. You can save, once you've got this, will actually be saved to your TATEMS folder, I believe. Let me just double check that. Oh no, it goes to your Documents folder. So it just gets saved right to your Documents folder. And so then you can do a save as, and you can save it somewhere else if you want to. Alright, so that is the Excel exporting, and now I'm going to go ahead and close this. You can also choose to sort this report by part number or inventory type, or part or manufacturer number, or description, or vendor. And then you can also choose to see specific information like inventory type, if you just want to see the active parts being tracked by type, or by manufacturer number, or by description, or by vendor. And you could bring up the list that way. And to see where this active parts being tracked, how you make sure it shows up on the list, I'm going to close this. We'll go over to Forms and then Parts Inventory. And now you can see here where it says, we'll just go ahead and click on an item here, and this track inventory on this part, that would need to be checked. So to check that, we need to, on an existing part, if it's not checked already, you're going to click Edit, and you're going to check that. And then we also want to make sure that the inactive is not checked, which means that it's currently active. Alright, so that's it for that one. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Take care.